Welcome to the video, where we tackle a common problem encountered when implementing an Angular material table on a website. The issue at hand involves the expandable rows on the table displaying a small gap, as shown in the visual example provided. The culprit seems to be a padding set in the bootstrap.css file, causing this aesthetic issue. Moving on to the solution, a quick fix was found by adding a style directly in the HTML file where the expandable rows are defined. By setting the padding to 0px for the specific rows needing adjustment, the unwanted gaps were eliminated. Although not considered best practice, this approach effectively targeted and resolved the styling issue without affecting the overall look of the table. In summary, by incorporating the inline style adjustment, the unsightly gaps in the expandable rows of the Angular material table were successfully removed. Remember, sometimes a simple solution can make a big difference in tackling those pesky design discrepancies. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. See you in the next one.